Welcome all of you. So now the topic is equal functions. Equal functions is very important topic in of course function chapter, and if you understand this really very well, then the inverse trigonometric function will be crystal clear to you. Many students find that inverse trigonometric function is difficult, I think because of not knowing very well the equal functions. What do you mean by equal functions? So first of all, you should know the definition of functions, and I want to ask you some questions. So my first question is like, you know that sin x and 1 by cosec x. So these are not equal functions. Okay, you can say sin x, you have seen many times that sin x is equal to 1 by cosec x, right? But for your information, I want to tell you these are not equal functions. Second, 2 ln x and ln x square are also not equal functions. Okay, not equal functions. Third thing, cosec x and 1 by sin x are equal functions. Okay, mathematically you have seen first and third, but in case of functions, if you talk about functions, then cosec x and 1 by sin x are equal functions. And fourth, like you can say that under root x square and mod x are equal functions. Okay, so like that, some are equal functions, some are not. And why is it so? Like one last I want to tell you, like under root x into under root 1 minus x and under root x into 1 minus x are not equal functions. Okay, so I want to discuss all these things. Okay, why is it so? So let's discuss about we have two methods to discuss all these things. So first method is like we go for analytical method. So analytical method says कि there are three criterias, three criterias, and all the three criteria should are important, है ना, should be applied simultaneously. So criteria are like the first criteria is domain wise, domain wise same, right? So उनके domain same होने चाहिए, है ना. Range, range wise, range wise be same, means domains should be same and range should be same for both the functions. And the third is very important, and third one is at every point values of the functions, value of functions should be same. Okay, so like if we discuss about the first one, so domain wise, so domain must be same. So if we talk about domain, so I can say like fx is equal to ln x square and gx is equal to 2 ln x. So if you consider the domain of this, so the domain is x is not equal to 0. But if you consider domain of this, so we will say x greater than 0. So you can see domain are not same. So these two functions are not equal. As simple as that, right? In the second way, I mean, like that. This is the first example. Now we talk about the second example, that sin x and 1 by cosec x. So sin x, if you know, the domain is r minus n pi, where n belongs to integer, while in the cosec x, okay, this will be the domain of this, okay, and the sin x domain will be r, and 1 by cosec x domain will be r minus n pi, okay. So the domain of sin x will be r, and 1 by cosec x r minus n pi, where n belongs to integer. So like that you can see that these two are not also equal functions. But if you think of cosec x and 1 by sin x, so you can see both are at same place, like both are having same domain, r minus n pi, because sin x is in denominator, it cannot also be 0, like that, okay. So now this point is clear domain wise. So we are talking about now the second point, the range wise, okay. Range wise also functions should be same. So if we talk about range wise, then you can consider fx is equal to x, and gx is equal to mod x. So now it is highly understood ki not equal functions, but if we analyze them, the domain will be same r. Domain is not a problem here. Domain for this also is r. But if we talk about range, so range is r, but here the range, is it r? No, it is not r. So it will be 0 to infinity. So you can say x and mod x are not equal functions. Okay, is this clear? Fine. Okay, now fine. So you can consider some functions here like x and mod x, you have seen. Like that, if you go for the third property, so what is the third property? Third property says like values of the functions at every point. Values of functions at every point. What happen, like if you consider fx is equal to sin x and gx is equal to cos x. So domain and range, if you consider the domain, here is also r, here is also r. If you consider the range, the minus 1 to 1, here also minus 1 to 1. So at both places, like if you consider domain and range, both are equal. But what about at every point? At every point sin x and cos x are not equal, right? So because of the third point only, sin x and cos x are not equal functions. Like that you can answer. So like you have seen that we have discussed more or less all the functions, sin x and 1 by cosec x, 2 ln x square, cosec x 1 by sin x. And now if you see the fifth point, fifth one, so fifth one you can consider the domain wise, they are not equal. You will consider the domain of this and intersection domain of this, but here you can consider as a one function x and 1 minus x, right? So if you just want to solve this problem, the fifth problem, then under root x and under root 1 minus x, so you will be getting x greater than equal to 0 and 1 minus x greater than equal to 0. These two are separate inequalities, but if you consider here x or 1 minus x, then this is a single inequality, like that, okay. So you can see here clearly that at both places the domain will not be same. So this is the method 1 to decide whether the equal functions are not. The method 2 is graphically. If you see graphically, if you can draw the graph, graphically they should coincide. Okay, so if they coincide on each other at every point, then only we'll say the functions are equal. So If you don't know the graph, you have to analyze using the 3 points. If any one point fails, the function will not be equal. Okay, thank you.